Hi friends, I'm here with ghormeh sabzi recipe. The ingredients of this food are pieces of meat, fried herbs, half a cup of red beans, 6 black limes, an onion, salt, turmeric, oil as needed. We need the fried herbs for cooking delicious ghormeh sabzi. First of all, I'm gonna say which herbs required. The vegetables of this stew consist of parsley, leek, fenugreek, spinach, chives. It is better that the amount of leek is twice the amount of parsley to have a tastier herbs. Wash the herbs in a large bowl, then dry and dice finely. In a large skillet, saute the fresh herbs. Be careful not to burn herbs. Stirring occasionally. Saute the diced onions until golden brown. Then add meat, turmeric and stirring them. Soak the red beans, which is better to soak for about 5 or 6 hours. Change the water several times. Add them to the meat and fried onion. Pour water over it to cook for 2 hours.
Two hours later.
Now add the fried herbs and salt and black limes, which their kernels have been separated. If you want to make the stew more sour, add 2 tablespoons of chopped black limes. Let it cook for at least another 2 or 3 hours. To prepare stews, it is better not to use a pressure cooker and let it cook on low heat for at least 4 or 5 hours. Bon appétit!